Hello and welcome to another unit video. Today we're talking about the 6004 black rain chain. This chain is omnidirectional, meaning you don't have a particular direction to hang it from like the other rain chains. This chain is powder coated with black color, and the links in between the links, what's actually connecting the links, is made of aluminum, so it's not that difficult to change or add links if you need to. So if you want to add links, for example, or remove links, you just pinch or press on the link. And when you do press on the link, it's easy actually to remove after that. This one link, or you can add as many links as you like. And if you want to put it back, it's actually also easy to pinch back as well. If you want to use tools, it's also easy to use tools. So you can use a couple of pliers, and the pliers, it's better to have some sort of a rubber tip for the pliers so that they don't damage the links. And it's easy to do as well. So you hold the connector link like this, and then you pinch again, and it should be easy to, again, put back that way. This kind of rain chain, this style of rain chain is good for a small to medium capacity rain, and it's easy to hang from the gutter. So every rain chain comes with the gutter clip and also the S hook as well. So the gutter clip just drops into the gutter really easy, and then we have the S hook, hooks up like this, and the rain chains hangs as such, and it's ready for the rainy season. Please like and subscribe for good luck. Thank you.